Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 9th Mathematics Part 1st. The topic is Polynomials Part 10. In this session we are going to discuss with factors of a polynomial and practice set 3.6. Friends, in the previous session of Polynomials Part 9, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics of this chapter. That is factor theorem and the problems from the practice set 3.5 that are based on the factor theorem. Friends, today in this session we are going to discuss with factors of polynomials. Factors of polynomials. Factoring polynomials is the inverse process of multiplying polynomials. After factoring a polynomial, if we divide the polynomial with the factors, then the remainder will be 0. Whenever we factor a polynomial, we should always look for the greatest common factor, GCF. Then we determine if the resulting polynomial factor can be factorized again. So friends, factoring a polynomials by grouping is one of the way. We often see together so that we can apply the distributive property in order to factorize them nicely. Secondly, factoring by substitution. If a polynomial is complicated, you can try substituting one of the complicated terms with a simpler term to make it easier to factor. Factoring polynomials using identities. So you can see here a plus b bracket raised to square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, which could be also written as minus a minus b bracket raised to square. Secondly, a minus b bracket raised to square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third is a minus b and a plus b, that is a square minus b square. A plus b plus c bracket raised to square will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A plus b minus c bracket raised to square will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Then sixth one, a minus b plus c bracket raised to square will be a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. And seventh one, minus a plus b plus c bracket raised to square will be a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. Then eighth one, a minus b minus c bracket raised to square will be a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. A plus b bracket raised to cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. A minus b bracket raised to cube will be equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. 11th, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket raised to cube minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Or a plus b in one bracket, another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Another bracket there will be a square plus ab plus b square. Let us start with the problem set 3.6. Problem number 1, that is, find the factors of the polynomials given below. 2x square plus x minus 1. Friends, here 2x square plus x minus 1, it has been given. So it could be here the square term have a coefficient 2, multiplied 2 with minus 1, that will be minus 2. Factorize is minus 2 such that the product is minus 2 and the sum is 1. So it will be 2 and minus 1. Therefore 2x square plus 2x minus x minus 1. Here 2x is the common that could be taken out, and then the bracket what left is x plus 1. And in the next two terms minus 1 is common, x plus 1 in another bracket. So among these, x plus 1 in one bracket, 2x minus 1 will be in the second bracket. Second, 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Friends, here 2m square plus 5m minus 3 given, what we have to do is the square term coefficient 2 and minus 3 should be multiplied, and you are getting minus 6. We have to factorize minus 6 such that the product is minus 6 and the sum is 5. So it will be 6 and minus 1. 2m square plus 6m minus m minus 3 Here first two terms 2m is common and another bracket there will be m plus 3. Next third and fourth term there is minus 1 common and in the bracket there will be m plus 3. So m plus 3 is common taken out and in the other bracket you will get 2m minus 1. Problem number 3, polynomials. 12x square the product here that we are getting the factors as 28 and 33. So we can write this as 12x square plus 28x plus 33x plus 77. In the first two term 4x is common and what left in the bracket is 3x plus 7 into 4 plus 11 is common and 3x plus 7 in another bracket. So what you get is 3x plus 7 in one bracket and another bracket there will be 4x plus 11. So friends, fourth one, 3y square minus 2y minus 1. Here you can write 3y square minus 2y minus 1 and we have to consider that 3 into minus 1 that is minus 3, product is minus 3 and sum is minus 2. So minus 3 and 1 are the two factors. So you can write 3y square minus 3y plus 2y minus 3y plus y that is minus 2y and minus 1. So among the first two terms 3y is common, that is taken out and what left in the bracket is y minus 1 plus 1 under the bracket y minus 1. So y minus 1 and 3y plus 1 are the factors. Let us continue that root 3x square plus 4x plus root of 3. Friends, here what given the polynomial is root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3. We will multiply root 3 and root 3, 3 is there. The product is 3 and sum is 4. So it will be 3 and 1 are the factors. So we can write here root 3x square plus 3x plus x plus root of 3. Among the first two terms we will rearrange the term. So root 3x square plus root 3 into root 3x. 3 could be splitted root 3 into root 3, that is root 9, the square it is 3. So root 3 into root 3x plus 1 is common and bracket x plus root 3. So the two factors of this are x plus root 3 and root 3x plus 1. Sixth one, half into x square minus 3x plus 4. Friends, here half into x square minus 3x plus 4. We have to multiply half into 4, that will be 2. The product is 2 and sum is minus 1. Minus 3. So minus 2 minus 1 are the factors. So you can write half x square minus 2x minus x plus 4. Here rearrange the term half x square minus 4 by 2x. 2x can be written as 4 by 2x minus x plus 4. Here half x is common, x minus 4 in the bracket, minus 1 is common and the next x minus 4 is another bracket. So the factors will be x minus 4 in one bracket, half x minus 1 is another bracket. So friends, now let us start with the problem number 2. Factorize the following polynomials. First is x square minus x bracket s2 square minus 8 into bracket x square minus x plus 12. Here we are using the substitutions. What given problem is x square minus x bracket s2 square minus 8 into x square minus x bracket complete plus 12. It is given. So I shown here x square minus x in the another color, blue color. So we'll substitute for that and that will become, for that we are using x square minus x that is equal to m. So the polynomial will become m square minus 8m plus 12. Now 12 is splitted, product is 12 and the sum is 8, that is minus 6 minus 2. M square minus 6m minus 2m plus 12. Friends, here m square minus 6m it is shown with another different color and minus 2m plus 12 another bracket. In the first pink color m is common, what left in the bracket is m minus 6 and in the next blue color minus 2 is common, m minus 6 is another bracket. So the factors of this will now m bracket another bracket x square minus x minus 2. We have substituted the value of m as x square minus x. We will get x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 again for the first bracket and second bracket x square minus 2x plus x minus 2, factoring the term. So here you will get x into bracket x minus 3 plus 2 into bracket x minus 3. In another bracket, square bracket, we are using x into bracket x minus 2 plus 1 into bracket x minus 2. So the factors will be 1 bracket x minus 3, second bracket x plus 2, third bracket x minus 2, and fourth is x plus 1. Friends, let us see second problem. X minus 5 bracket s to square minus into bracket 5x minus 25 minus 24. Friends, in the second bracket you can see that there is 5x minus 25. We'll rearrange it as x minus 5 bracket s to square minus 5 will be common, x minus 5 under bracket minus 24. Now we'll replace this x minus 5 with m. So it will become m square minus 5m minus 24. So among these, m square minus 8m plus 3m minus 24. This 24 is splitted such that the sum is minus 5, means minus 8 plus 3, and the product 8 3s are 24. Among the first two terms, we shown with pink color, m is common, m minus 8 bracket plus 3 is common, m minus another bracket. So here we will get m minus 8 in one bracket and m plus 3 in another bracket. Now re-substitute the value of m as x minus 5. So it will be x minus 5 minus 8, one bracket, another bracket, x minus 5 plus 3. So here you will get x minus 13 and in one bracket and x minus 5 in the another bracket. So friends, let us see one more problem. X square is x square minus 6x bracket s to square minus 8 into x square minus 6x plus 8 bracket complete minus 64. Here x square minus 6x could be replaced with m. So it will become m square minus 8 into bracket m plus 8 minus 64. So friends, now we will solve this one. M square minus 8m minus 64 minus 64. So it will become now m square minus 8m minus 128. Friends, here m square minus 16m plus 8m minus 128. The product is 128 and the sum is minus 8, that will be minus 16 plus 8, that is minus 8, and 16 8s are 128. In the first two, m is common, so you will get m minus 16 in the bracket, plus in the third and fourth terms 8 is common, m minus 16 in the bracket. So it can be written as m minus 16 in one bracket, m plus 8 in another bracket. So now we will re-substitute the value of m. It will become now x square minus 6x minus 16 in one bracket, x square minus 6x plus 8 in another bracket. So x square minus 8x plus 2x minus 16 in one bracket, product 16, sum minus 6, 8 2s are. In another bracket also x square minus 6x plus 8, product is 8 and sum is minus 6. So it can be written as x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. So friends, you will get in the first bracket x is common, so x minus 8 plus 2 x minus 8. In second bracket you will get x into x minus 4 minus 2 x minus 4. So totally factors will be x minus 8, x plus 2, x minus 4 and x minus 2. Now we'll see problem number 4. X square minus 2x plus 3, one bracket, another bracket, x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35. Friends, here you could see that the given x square minus 2x plus 3 and x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 35, here x square minus bracket m with m plus 5 plus 3 with m plus 5 minus 35. We'll do this product, that will be m square plus 5m plus 3m plus 15 minus 35. So you will get that m square plus 8m minus 20, that is plus 15 minus 35, that is minus 20. Here you will get that m square product is minus 20 and sum is 8. So 10 2s are 20 and 10 minus 2 is 8. So we can write m square plus 10m minus 2m minus 20. M is common, bracket that is taken out, m plus 10 is in the bracket, minus 2 is common, m plus 10 in the bracket. So you will get that m plus 10 in one bracket, m minus 2 in the other bracket. These are the factors of the given polynomial. Now we will substitute m's value x square minus 2x. We will get that x square minus 2x plus 10 and then x square minus 2x minus 2. These are the factors of the given polynomial. Now we'll see problem 5. In one bracket y plus 2, another bracket y minus 3, third y plus 8 and fourth y plus 3 is plus 56. Friends, we have to make the rearrangement of the terms in this given polynomial, that is y plus 2, y minus 3, y plus 8, y plus 3 plus 56. It can be written as y plus 2 in 1 and y plus 3, y minus 3 and y plus 8 plus 56. Now we will do the product y square plus 3y plus 2y plus 6, one bracket means the product of the first two brackets, and third fourth bracket the product will be y square plus 8y minus 3y minus 24 plus 56. We'll simplify y square plus 5y plus 6, 3y plus 2y is 5y plus 6. Another bracket there will be a y square plus 5y minus 24 plus 56. Friends, you can see with I shown with blue color y square plus 5y. Now we'll do the product m into bracket m minus 24 plus 6 into m minus 24 plus 56. So the product will be m square minus 24m plus 6m minus 144 plus 56. So m square minus 18m minus 88. So here the product should be 88 and sum is minus 18. So 22 and 4. M square minus 22m plus 4m minus 88. So in the first two, m is common, m minus 22 in the bracket plus 4 into bracket m minus 22. Here we will get m minus 22 in one bracket, m plus 4 in another bracket. Now replace this m with its value y square plus 5y. So we will get y square plus 5y minus 22 in one bracket, another bracket y square plus 5y plus 4. Friends, you will get here that y square plus 5y minus 22 as it is. In the second bracket you can have a product 4 ones are 4 and 4 plus 1, that is 5. So y square plus 4y plus y plus 4. So y square plus 5y minus 22 in the second bracket, y into bracket y plus 4 plus 1 y plus 4. So the total factors of this will be y square plus 5y minus 22 one bracket, another bracket y plus 4 and y plus 1. Friends, let us discuss the next problem. Y square plus 5y, y square plus 5y minus 2 minus 24. So here the solution is y square plus 5y, y square plus 5y minus 2 minus 24. Here we can replace this y square plus 5y by m. So into bracket m minus 2 minus 24. Do the product m square minus 2m minus 24. So here it will be m square minus 6m plus 4m minus 24. M into bracket m minus 6 plus 4 into bracket m minus 6. M minus 6 in one bracket, m plus 4 in another bracket. So here it will be replace again m with y square plus 5y minus 6, y square plus 5y plus 4. So factorize it. Y square plus 6y minus 6, one bracket, another bracket, y square plus 4y plus y plus 4. So y into bracket y plus 6 minus 1 into y plus 6, y into y plus 4 plus 1 y plus 4. So the total factors will be y plus 6 in one bracket, y minus 1 in another, y plus 4 in one, y plus 1 another. So let us see problem number 7. X minus 3, x minus 4 bracket is x minus 5 minus 6. So it will be x minus 3, x minus 5, x minus 4 bracket is square minus 6. We'll do the product. Y square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15, x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 6. So friends, here x square minus 8x plus 15, x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 6. So here it will be m plus 15, m plus 16 minus 6, replacing x square minus 8x with m. M into bracket m plus 16 plus 15 into bracket m plus 16 minus 6. So here we'll do the product m square plus 16m plus 15m minus plus 240 minus 6. M square plus 31m plus 234. M square plus 18m plus 13m plus 234. M into bracket m plus 18 plus 13 into bracket m plus 18. So m plus 18, m plus 13, replace m with the given x square minus 8x. So we'll get x square minus 8x plus 18, one bracket, x square minus 8x plus 13, another bracket. These are the factors of the given polynomial. Friends, what we have been discussed in this today's session is factors of a polynomials and problems from the practice set 3.6 that are based on the factors of a polynomials. Will you try this one? Factorize 3x square plus 7x plus 2. Second, factorize x square plus 30x is equal to minus 13x square. Factorize, that is y square minus 3y bracket raised to square minus 5 into bracket y square minus 3y minus 50. Factorize x plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 7, x minus 2 and plus 64. Factorize 3x4 plus 2x. Less curious about people and more curious about ideas. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon in order to have a notification of the next videos. With these words, I would like to say
thank you.
Don't forget